Hi, now we will see how to create a new client. Okay, for that you can access the client from here in this icon, or you can go to accounts master and clients. Okay, so click the clients. Here you can see multiple options which is available. The minimum thing needed for a client to start off with are these fields: first name, last name, mobile number, birth date, and marketing type. These are the minimum fields which you need, for which like you can actually start the client or add the client in the system. So I will go ahead and add a new client. First name, last name. You can have multiple options, like all these things are there, but the minimum is this one: birth date, and the marketing. Here you can select from where they found out about your salon, suppose Google, and you can also add other details. So now the client is inserted successfully. I will now see what are the other options which is available. You can select the title of them. You can actually add categories. You can add occupation, gender, their details. If there is any ID, they have passport number. You can add whether they need to send for the marketing mails or SMS if you want to send to them. And you can also, where the mobile number serves as the SMS number also. So whenever an appointment is created for them, SMS will go for them. And also, like, you can mention their birthday anniversaries. Here you can see how much loyalty points they have, and how much amount they have spent. If there is any client referral, then you can mention that one. This actually comes from the same client referral from the same client's details. And also you can mention their spouse, children. This is an alert text which will be available throughout the client areas of this particular client. Whatever it is being written here, it will be available. You can also provide products percentage and service percentage discount, meaning this discount will be automatically applied to that particular client. There is you can actually upload a photo for them, or you can actually start a camera wherein which you can save them. There is also like documents, any documents you wanted to add for them. And also, like, you can see their history. For example, this client has an history. Okay, so their history completely you can see here: their upcoming appointments, their completed appointments, cancelled appointments, appointments for which they paid, any packages are there for them, gift cards which they have purchased, and what is the balance value available, and quantity of the packages which they used. So all these information, like, you will know for this particular customer. Okay, so this is how you create a client. And also, if you want to block this client, or say, then just press not active, by which this client will not be appearing in the appointment books or anywhere in the system. Thank you.